Hello everyone. My name is Anshika. I'm a Kathak artist and a content creator. Recently, I have attended the Flipkart Glam Up event 2026, and somewhat the social media has been flooded with both positive and negative aspect of the event. So I'm going to share my honest review that what was happening in the event, what was the event about, and how well did it ended up. Starting with, there was a criteria to get into the event, which was you should be a content creator on regular basis, and you should have more than 2k plus followers on your Instagram. So basically, I'm going to tell everything since the start to the very end of the event. First of all, I basically applied for 15 to 20 brands, and the event included more than 100 plus brands, and I applied for 15 to 20, and I got the approval from Lakme, and then I was invited by Lakme. I had to shoot the promotional content for Lakme. Reaching the venue till the very end of the event, I'm going to tell how was the management system there and how well the event ended. So basically, there were content creators from ranging 1 million follower to 5k as well. And of course, ये बात है इतने सारे लोग थे वहाँ पे, बहुत ज़्यादा huge crowd था because it was all across India event, and genuinely वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ थी. Then starting with हम venue पे पहुँचे, then उसके बाद we have to enter. Then we had the QR. We were given a QR which was scanned by the team, and then we were given the wristbands of the influencers and the one plus visitor we had along with us. Without those wristbands, we were not allowed to enter into the hall where the event was actually happening. So after taking the wristbands, we entered into the event. Then first I got into the booth of Lakme, which was an allotted brand to me. I actually had to wait there for about an hour to shoot my content because there was already the brand content shoot going on inside the Lakme booth. And within this 1 hour, the management team was not able to manage this much big crowd which was outside the booth. थोड़ा सा mislead कर रहे थे वहाँ पे management team, and I think बहुत efficient management नहीं हो पा रहा था because बहुत ज़्यादा crowd था. While shooting the content inside the Lakme booth, the team helped us very nicely. They provided us the products which were required to shoot the content. They supported us equally and they gave us the priority which we should be given, and they helped us in editing the content as well. And yeah, I felt that due to crowd there was a mislead, but then the team was trying their best to support each and every creator which was standing there for like long hours in long queues to have their chance to shoot the content. And basically after shooting my content, I went on editing. आफ्टर एडिटिंग द कंटेंट मुझको उसको अपलोड करना था ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. सो बेसिकली अपलोड करते टाइम वहाँ पे नेटवर्क का इशू बहुत हो रहा था बिकॉज नेटवर्क कनेक्टिविटी वॉज क्वाइट लो इनसाइड द हॉल, एंड लिटरली थोड़ा ज़्यादा यूजुअल से ज़्यादा टाइम लग रहा था कंटेंट अपलोड होने में. वंस आवर कंटेंट वाज अपलोडेड ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, वी हैड टू प्रोवाइड द लाइव लिंक टू द company, to the team, and we had to submit it there, and it was reviewed by the team and it was approved on the spot, and then we had to collect our hampers as it was promised and by the brand to us, of course. Then इतना सब शूट करने के बाद, इतना सब टाइम वहाँ पे 2 hours स्पेंड करने के बाद हमारा फ़ोन वॉज ऑलमोस्ट डेड. माई फ़ोन गॉट स्विच्ड ऑफ, एंड जो हॉल में हमारे चार्जिंग पॉइंट्स थे दे वर नॉट वर्किंग. बट देन हमने टीम से बात करी एंड वी गॉट टू नो दैट वी हैव द चार्जिंग पॉइंट्स इनसाइड द एडिटिंग रूम. सो फिर हम एडिटिंग रूम में गए, हमने वहाँ पे फ़ोन चार्ज किया विद द हेल्प ऑफ द टीम, एंड येस उसके बाद हम लोग डिफरेंट ब्रांड्स के बूथ पे गए. अप्रॉक्सीमेटली आई वेंट टू अराउंड 5 or 6, नॉट मोर देन दैट बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स हमने हील्स पहनी थी, एंड उसके बाद इतने बड़े हॉल में हील्स पहन के चलने से आवर लेग्स वर पेनिंग. एंड लाइक कुछ लोगों ने ये बोला है कि वहाँ पे ब्रांड्स नहीं थे. लिटरली आई एम सेइंग कि घर पे आने के बाद मुझे पता चला कि ओके ये ब्रांड भी वहाँ पे थी. टू बी ऑनेस्ट, मैंने इंस्टा पे जब देखा है तो आई गॉट टू नो कि ठीक है ये ब्रांड भी थी वहाँ पे, ये भी थी. लिटरली मैंने सारे ब्रांड्स वहाँ पे नहीं देखे थे. After exploring like about 5 to 6 brand booths, I was like, okay, I'm not going to explore more because it was on our choice that how much we go to the brands, how much we get involved with them and shoot that content and be engaged in right there. But yeah, I thought okay, 5 to 6 were sufficient because I was literally too tired also. But yeah, then while exiting, we also had a QR for the hampers that we were promised to collect. So While exiting, we had to show the QR to the team. They will scan it and they will hand over us the hampers which were promised by the team. Okay, so yeah, I literally didn't face much of the problem while exiting also, and while collecting the hampers. And one thing I like to include, there were food courts inside, and while exiting I ordered food and we enjoyed the food. We exited, we collected the hampers, and all over it was really good. It was worth going there. हर एक बूथ पे एटलीस्ट 3 से 4 लोग टीम के थे जो वहाँ पे मैनेज कर रहे थे. सो आप सोच सकते हैं कि अगर 3 से 4 एक बूथ पे हैं एंड 100+ ब्रांड्स के बूथ हैं, तो अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 300 एंड 400 के आसपास वहाँ पे जो हमारे इंटर्न्स थे, जो हमारे वहाँ पे मैनेजिंग मेंबर्स थे, वो थे. सो एट द एंड इफ़ आई कंपेयर द एक्सपीरियंस विच आई फेल्ट, it was both ways. Like first problem that I felt was कि वहाँ पे थोड़ा चार्जिंग का इशू था. द चार्जिंग इशू, समवट नेटवर्क इशू, एंड देन या वी हैड वन बैग. सो हमें उसको रखना था. सो वहाँ पे कोई एज सच लगेज कीपिंग रूम टाइप का नहीं था, वहाँ पे कोई भी हॉल अवेलेबल नहीं था. बट देन हमने टीम से बात करी एंड देन दैट प्रॉब्लम वॉज सॉर्टेड ऑफ कोर्स. देन उसके बाद या आई विल से अटेंडिंग दिस इवेंट, इट वॉज माई फर्स्ट एवर ब्रांड event which I attended. So yeah, my experience was good. I think it was really worth going there because I met people, I talked to them, I had engagement with the brand teams, with different brands, with different creators, of course. And yes, I think it was a genuine, encouraging event, like for the content creators. So yeah, and if you have any doubt, if you want to ask anything, you can comment down. Bye bye.